Hi, today in front of me Lenovo Tab M7 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should hold for a while your device home screen with the finger and then tap to the widgets icon. After that, scroll down to see all of the available applications which widgets we can add, and just to add the widget we should just hold it for a while and then just drag it to our home screen. If you want to move this widget between the screens or to create a new screens, you should just hold it and drag it. To resize it, you should also hold it for a while, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. And just to remove it from your home screen, you should just hold it and drag to remove icon. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.